Welcome. Standard 4th. Subject Computer. Lesson number 3, An Introduction to Windows 10. History of Microsoft Windows. Bill Gates introduced Windows 1.0 operating system in 1985. Throughout the years, Windows went through a revolutionary visual change from MS-DOS right up to the latest version, Windows 10. The popular versions of Windows are mentioned in the table. Year 1995, Windows 95. Year 2000, Windows 2000. Year 2001, Windows XP. Year 2009, Windows 7. Year 2012, Windows 8. Year 2015, Windows 10. Starting the computer. Switch on the main power supply switch. Now press the power button on the CPU. The computer starts. Switch on the monitor. The startup process of the computer is called booting. What is software? A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. The computer software is classified into two types. First is system software. This system software refers to the main program of the computer, that is the operating system, OS, without which the computer would not function. Application software. Application software helps a user to perform one or more than one task. Popular examples of application softwares are word processor, internet browsers, and media players. Desktop. It is the primary screen of a computer. It is the screen which is been displayed after the booting process is complete. The desktop screen displays icons, taskbar, start button, search, and Cortana, Windows Store and Action Center. Components of desktop. Icons. See students, in the A part we can see the icons. Icons are the graphical symbols. They represent a particular file, folder, or program. For example, when you click on the recycle bin icon, a window containing all the deleted files and folders open. B is the taskbar. The taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop, students. You can see in this picture. The start button, volume control, clock, calendar, and active applications are displayed on the taskbar. To lock the taskbar, right click on the taskbar and click on Lock the taskbar. C. Windows Store. You can see in this screen, students. The Store app contains various utility applications and games, both free and paid. To access the store, we have to click on the Windows Store icon on the taskbar. Search and Cortana. The search bar on the taskbar will allow you to search for files and applications on your computer, students. You can also search for anything you type on the web. Cortana is a digital assistant on Windows 10 which provides you a personalized experience and requires an internet connection. To activate Cortana, we have to type a question in the search box or select the microphone and talk to Cortana by saying, "Hey Cortana," followed by your question. For example, you can ask Cortana, "What is the capital of India?" E. Action Center. The Action Center is located on the right corner of the taskbar. It helps you access quick settings and shows you different types of notifications. Further part of the chapter we will study in the next lecture. Thank you.